Hello everybody, SA Apps Info here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to make Google Drive link public. So let's start. First of all, update your Google Drive from your Play Store and App Store and then open it. After opening the app, then go to the files and go to the folder whatever you want to share with, and then choose the file and click to the three dot menu. And then here you can see option that share. Now click on share option, and in the bottom side you can see a locked icon and not shared, and then click on that, and then you can see the file is restricted, and then that means you can't share with anyone or anyone can't view this uh, file, so you have to share public to view this. After that, click on the restricted and change option, and then click to the restricted option and click to the anyone with the link. After that, clicking on this, the file will be set as public, and then click to the link option in the right side top, and then click on that, and the link will be copied. So after that, you can share the link with anyone and anyone can see this file easily. So that's all for today. I hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next one. Bye.